up, YouTube? So this is my part 3 to the series Ball Flicks Every Baller Should Learn. I recently posted part 1 and 2, which did pretty good, and I thank you guys for that. So this is part 3, and I'm finally finishing this series today. It's been a while, man. I have been busy. I haven't gone to the fields to do these flicks, and I'm not gonna lie, man, some of these flicks actually got me drained out. Like, you know, they got me a little, you know, tired and rusty and, you know, type stuff that I don't want to talk about. But anyway, so in this video we're only going to be doing 5 advanced. Look, there are many flicks you can do. It's all about your creativity, you know, however you want to put these flicks together. You know, they're nothing special. They're just, you know, you just get a basic flick and merge it with another basic flick and make it look saucy, and you get an advanced flick. You know, it's just no. Anyways, yeah, so 5 advanced flicks every baller should learn. Now, if you can do these 5, well, if you can do 5 of your own advanced flicks, bro, you know. Look, man, let's get started with the let's get right into the video. And that's it. Look, I want to say this, like, I want to appreciate you guys, man. I want to say thank you for all those who subscribe, you know, those who are commenting and liking my videos. You know, it's a motivation for me to keep putting out these videos, and it shows that, I guess, whatever I'm putting out there on the internet, on YouTube, is actually helping some of you guys. I will be doing more videos, helpful videos, anything I can think about. If you have something in mind, just comment, bro. Leave me a comment like, yo, bro, can you do a video on this? Can you do a video on that? Can you do a, you know, tutorial on how to get faster, or, you know, how to do backflips? And, well, don't do that, because backflips are not football related. This is a football related channel, so everything football related, you know. Just whatever topic you have, man. If I can do a video on it, I will do a video on it. I will drop a video, and I'm here to help you guys out with what I know. And again, I want to say thank you guys for, you know, subscribing. Thank you guys for liking, and we're growing every day. Like, we're growing every day. And at my last video, on my knuckleball video, that video actually did pretty good. I had, like, man, that's probably my best performing video of all the videos that I have. And, you know, it's I really want to say thank you to you guys. I really appreciate you guys showing me love and support. And anyways, I'll see you guys in the whatever next video I post on next, man. And peace out.